Good evening to everybody. Welcome to today's class. Pawan Kalyan. Pawan Kalyan. Nandini. Hello, Nandini.
Yes, sir.
Screen share ayinda?
Yes, sir.
Our voice clear unda?
Clear, sir.
Okay. The last class in the Saturday, we are discussed on the problems on the basic proportionality theorem. So one of the important concept in a triangle, if two sides are equal, then the opposite angles of the equal sides are equal. In a triangle, two sides are equal, then the opposite angles of equal sides are equal. This is one statement. This is a triangle. If two sides are equal, this angles opposite to equal sides are always equal. These are the two sides. These line segments, these parts, the symbols are indicated. These symbols are indicates the sides are equal in part, equal in measure. Then these two lines indicates they are equal. This angle is opposite to this side. This angle is opposite to this side. When two sides are equal, the angles opposite to the sides. This angle is opposite to this one. This angle is opposite to this one. Therefore, these two angles are equal. And also we call another name. These are the base angles. When two sides are equal, the triangle is called the isosceles triangle. The triangle is called the isosceles triangle. Here, AB is equal to AC, then angle C is equal to angle B. Vice versa, in a triangle, if two angles are equal, vice versa, two angles are equal, then the sides opposite to the angles are equal. These are equal now. Its opposite side is this. Its opposite side is this. These two are equal in size. These two are equal in size. Angle C is equal to angle B. Then AB is equal to AC. Then this is called an isosceles triangle. Next one is exercise 8.1. All of you open the textbook. First problem, let us see the problem. This is a given triangle PQR. In triangle PQR, ST is a line such that PS by SQ is equal to PT by TR. Also, angle PST is equal to angle PRQ. Prove that triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. In triangle PQR, ST is a line such that PS by SQ is equal to PT by TR. They are given itself. This is given in the question itself. We don't want to prove this. And also given two angles. Angle PST is equal to angle PRQ. That are the blue colored. Here, this blue color, which is equals to this is. PST means starts from P up to move to starts from P and move to S, from there to move T, the side T. This is called angle PST. PRQ starts from P up to R, and this is turn from at R, move Q side. That is angle R. These two are equal. They are given. We don't know why they are equal, how they are equal, we don't know. By default, in the question, the angles are equal. And also given PS by SQ is equals to PT by TR. These two things are given. This is given. This is given. With help of these two items, we want to prove triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. This is required to prove. Triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. Right. What is given? In triangle PQR, PS by SQ is equal to PT by TR and angle PST is equal to angle PRQ given. Please make sure to note down compulsory given data. If it is a 2 marks question, you will get half mark. If it is a 4 marks question, you will get 1 mark. By writing given data only, without doing any steps, without using any formula, blindly you will get 1 mark when you write the given data. So now let us switch over to this. How to prove? What is required to prove? Required to prove is triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. Required to prove is RTP is triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. That is, two sides are equal. PQ is equal to PR. Okay. How to prove? With the help of given data, we will move. Otherwise, we'll go the indirect proof. So now we'll go for the direct proof. So given triangle PQR, PS by SQ is equal to PT by TR given. PS by SQ is equal to PT by TR given. What it is means? It means what? This is PS, this is SQ. Then this is PT, this is TR. This ratio, these two sides segments ratio is equal to these two side segment ratios. Nothing but the line ST divides the PQ and PR in the same ratio. Line ST, this line divide these two sides in the same ratio according to converse of the basic proportionality theorem. If a line divides the two sides in the same ratio, then it is parallel to the third side. That statement we have by converse of basic proportionality theorem. Converse of the basic proportionality theorem, the line ST parallel to QR. When two lines are parallel, in the beginning, introduction part I was explained. These are the two lines. This is a transversal. This angle is equal to this angle. Pair of corresponding angles. Here P, here is the P, the point. Here is the S, here is the Q. Here is a T, here is R. PST is equal to PQR. PST is equal to PQR because pair of corresponding angles. So now that was written here, angle PST is equal to angle PQR. Angle PST is equal to angle PQR since corresponding angles, pair of corresponding angles. Now, actually what is given? Angle PST is equal to PRQ given, but angle PST is equal to angle PRQ given. So this is statement number 2. Statement 1 and 2. So apply transitive property. PST is equal to PQR. Angle PST is equal to PRQ. So therefore, these RHS terms are equal by transitive property from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. Angle PQR is equals to angle PRQ. Because by using transitive property, A is equal to B, A is equal to C, then B is equal to C. This is called transitive property. A is equal to B, A is equal to C, then B is equal to C. This is called a transitive property. So angles are equal. Angles are equal. These two angles are equal means their opposite sides are equal. When two angles are equal, then their opposite sides are equal. Angle PQR, its opposite side is the PR. Angle PRQ, its opposite side is the PQ. Therefore, the side PQ is equal to side PR. This is required to prove. This is required to prove, that is, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Two sides are equal in a triangle means that is called the isosceles triangle. Triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. To do this statement, just before the beginning, I was explained a statement. In a triangle, if two angles are equal, then their sides opposite to them are equal in size. According to the statement and converse of the BPT statement, so we are completed this problem. Tell me, children, anybody any doubt? Shall I move next problem?
Yes, sir.
All of you understood?
Understood, sir.
Okay. Now, hence the problem proved. When we got the required to prove, we use that. So hence the problem proved. Pawan Kalyan, read the problem. Pawan Kalyan.
Sir, in the given
the
figure, LM parallel to CB and LN parallel to CD. Prove that AM by AB equals to AN by AD.
Very good. In the given figure, LM parallel to CB and LN parallel to CD. These two statements are given. The picture is very interested. See that like quadrilaterals, triangles, all are there in the picture. Okay. But we prove that AM by AB. AM means, so from here to here. AB means here to here. That is equals to AN, that is this. AD, that is this. AM by AB is equals to AN by AD. Okay, very simple it is. How will prove? What is given? These two things are given. LM parallel to CB, LN parallel to CD. These are given to us. First we know down given data. So in that triangle ABC, I'm going to take, this is, I'm taking away separately triangle ABC, LM parallel to CB, LM parallel to CB. Mr. Pavan, tell me basic proportionality theorem for this triangle. Pawan Kalyan,
sir.
from A నుంచి basic proportionality theorem చెప్పు. మనం చెప్పుకున్నాం కదా.
Yes, sir. AM by
Good.
MB
Very good.
is equals to
Ah,
AL by
ah,
LC.
very good, Nana.
Okay,
Keep it up.
sir.
AM by MB is equals to AL by LC is the basic proportionality theorem when ML parallel to LM parallel to BC, LM parallel to CB. These two lines are parallel to each other. Arrow marks are there very clear in the picture. Original picture ఇది దాంట్లో separate గా మీకు అర్థం కావడానికి బయట గీశాను. So now I'm going to write it is nothing but MB by AB AM LC by AL. Both side reverse them. No loss. Both side reverse. MB or BM. MB or BM. MB or BM by AM. So LC or CL by AC. So you will write anyone. Among these three, we will write anyone. All are correct. So now I am writing let us see. MB by AM. MB by AM is equal to LC by AL. LC by AL. Both reversed. Children, are you okay this? First, Pawan Kalyan said that AM by MB is equal to AL by LC. That I was reversed both sides. LHS and RHS reversed. MB by AM is equal to LC by AL. To prove that, we need to do like this. So please keep in mind. So to do like this only. Otherwise, problem will not execute. So this is now add one both sides. Sub theorem, add one both sides. So adding by that, here is AM is the LCM, LHS side. So AM divides with AM, that is 1. 1 into MB, that is MB. Plus this 1 means 1 by 1. AM divides 1, will get the AM. AM into 1, AM. RHS, AL is the LCM. AL divided by AL, 1. 1 into LC. This is nothing 1 by 1. 1 divide AL. The result is AL. AL into 1, AL. So by LCM we'll get this. MB plus AM by AM. LC plus AC by AL. LC plus AL by, this is, we got the same. Let us check out. MB, AM by AM. LC, AL by AL. So same is there, RHS and LHS. So this is by doing LCM. Okay, right. Now 1 minute, move to the picture. This is MB. This is AM. Totally AM, no? AM plus MB or BM. AM plus MB. Nothing but AB. Similarly, AL plus LC. This is AL. This is LC. Their total is AC. So now we'll write that. Instead of MB and AM, this is MB, this is AM. Their total is AB. So now we'll write AB by AM, AC by AL. AB by AM, AC by AL. We got this. Once again, please check out. Please watch it carefully. First, I'm taken according to the basic proportionality theorem for the triangle. Actually, AM by MB, AL by LC. This is AL by LC. This is basic proportionality theorem. Now, reverse the both sides. We reverse this. MB by AM, LC by AL. This is the statement when we reverse the triangle. Them both are correct. Now I am taking second one. MB by AM is equal to LC by AL by basic proportionality theorem. Now add one both side. Add one both side to this. So we'll get MB by AM plus 1, LC by AL plus 1. Adding one both sides, we get like this. 1 nothing but 1 by 1. AM is the LCM. AM is the LCM here, left side. So AM divided with AM, 1. 1 into MB, MB. Plus AM into 1, AM. This is AM, this is MB. By adding these two, total length is AB. This is nothing AB. Denominator will be same. Next, LC. AL is the LCM. AL divided with AL, will get AL 1. 1 into LC, LC plus AL into 1, AL. Now, this is AL, this is LC. Their addition is AC. This is AC. That we will write very clear. Let us check. MB plus AM by AM. LC plus AL by AL. So that is equals to AB by AM, AC by AL. AB by AM, AC by AL. Now, let us move to the reverse the both. Again, now ratio reverse it, because there is a required to prove AM by AB is there. Required to prove AM by AB is there. To that, we reverse the both fractions, both side ratios. We'll get AM by AB is equals to AL by AC. Here, we'll get the result. We get the result 1 like this. Children, are you understand these all steps? Children, did you understand these each and every step?
Yes, sir.
మీరు రాసేటప్పుడు యారో మార్క్స్ ఒకదాని కింద ఒకటి ఉండేట్టు రాయండి. నోట్బుక్ లో ఎంటర్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఇక్కడ స్లైడ్ సరిపోక నేను సైడ్ బై సైడ్ ఇచ్చాను యారో మార్క్. మీరు ఎవ్రీ యారో మార్క్ వచ్చింది అంటే కిందికి వెళ్ళిపోవాలి యారో మార్క్. ఇప్పుడు ఈ యారో మార్క్ ఇక్కడికి రావాలి, ఈ యారో మార్క్ ఇక్కడ కిందికి రావాలి, స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్. సో ఈక్వేషన్ 1 ఇప్పుడు 3 స్టెప్లు ఆడు ఉండాలి. నేను ఒకటే సింగిల్ లైన్ లో రాశాను. ప్లీజ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ రైట్ డౌన్ step by step. Right. This is over. Now I am take the bottom triangle. Now previously I taken in the this triangle, above triangle. Now I will take the bottom triangle, this one. Now I will take the bottom triangle, this one. What it happens? So let us check out. In triangle ACD, red colored, this is ACD triangle. Now we apply to this basic proportionality theorem. Arun Kumar, for this triangle, tell me basic proportionality theorem. Arun Kumar, ABGHS.
AN by DN is equals to AL by LC.
AN by ND is equals to
AL by LC.
Very good. AL by LC. This is the basic proportionality theorem. This is the basic proportionality theorem for this triangle. Now let us move to reverse the both sides. When we reverse it, it becomes to ND by AN is equals to LC by AL, isn't it? Arun Kumar,
Yes, sir.
both sides reverse the ratios. ND by AN is equal to LC by AL. Now I am taking that. ND by AN is equal to LC by AL. Both I am taken. Now add one both sides same in the above like that. Add one in the both. So we get ND by AN plus 1 is equal to LC by AL plus 1. Adding one both sides. Adding one both sides. So then LHS AN is the LCM. So RHS AL is the LCM. Then ND plus AN by AN is equal to LC plus AL by AL. These are the ND AN in the picture. This is ND. This is AN. Their total is AD. Their total is AD. Next, AL plus LC. AL plus LC. Their total is AC. The total is AC. So therefore, here is AD by AN, AC by AL. Reverse the both. AN by AD is equals to AL by AC. See equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 and 2. So what are they? RHS terms are the same. RHS terms are the same. Now by using transitive property 1 and 2, using transitive property 1 and 2, so let us take AM by AB is equals to AN by AD will get. From 1 and 2, AM by AB is equals to AN by AD. AM by AB is equals to AN by AD will get. This is the solution. This is the solution by adding one both sides. Otherwise, this problem will not execute. Otherwise, this problem will not execute. Anybody, any doubt, please? Little bit more lengthy this problem, but easy. Okay. Shall we go next? Anybody, any doubt? Otherwise, I move to next problem. Same problem. We prove by using sub-theorem of basic proportionality theorem. Sub-theorems, already after the theorem I explained adding one both sides. So this is direct solution in triangle ABC. This is the triangle ABC. In this triangle, LM parallel to CB, direct, we'll write down AM by AB is equal to AL by AC. Basic proportional sub-theorem. Here AM is this and AB is the this. AM by AB is equal to AL by AC. AM by AB is equal to AL by AC. This is by basic proportion to sub-theorem. Basic proportional theorem, sub-theorem. So this is equation number 1. Similarly, we'll take another triangle, bottom triangle ACD, red color, ACD triangle. So in this LN parallel to CD, LN parallel to CD, AL by AC is equal to AN by AD. Again, basic proportionality theorem, sub-theorem. So that is equation number 2. That is equation number 2. Then direct, check the equation 1 and 2. Equation 1, RHS. Equation 2, LHS are same. A is equal to B, B is equal to C. Then A is equal to C. Transitive property. AM by AB is equals to, from 1 and 2, AM by AB is equals to AN by AD. From 1 and 2, AM by AB is equals to AN by AD. This is the solution by using sub-theorem direct. No need to add. Already by addition 1, I explained after the basic proportionality theorem. Wantedly for this problem. I was explained very clear on the day when I taught the basic proportionality theorem. If we add, we get the such results. I was explained clearly. 2 or 3 statements are we proved there. That statement we used here directly. No need to add 1 like previous solution. Same question, second method this is. I will send it to you. So make sure to you note down and practice anyone. This is one of the interested problem. Hindu. Kaustubh leka chadura. Babu Kaustubh.
Sir, in the given figure, BE parallel to AC and parallel to AE. So, DF by FE equal to BE by EC.
Very good. Here, what is given me in the picture? DE parallel to AC. DE parallel to AC is given. Clearly there arrow marks. So DE, double arrow is there. AC, double arrow is there. In the picture, please observe that. So the 2 lines are parallel. Next, DF is parallel to AE. DF single arrow is there. AE also single arrow there. Both are parallel to each other. 2 pairs of line segments are parallel. Okay. Required to prove is BF by FE is equals to BE by EC. BF by FE is equals to BE by EC. Now let us see. First note down given data. In the given figure, DE parallel to AC and DF parallel to AE. This is given. Required to prove is RTP is BF by FE is equal to BE by EC. BF by FE is equal to BE by EC. Okay. How to prove this? To do this, now I am to take the solution that is in the proof in triangle ABE. Immediately here triangle AB is color has changed. So that is blue color. I'm shifted to outside. Here DF parallel to AE. DF is parallel to AE. Then it comes to what? Basic proportionality theorem. BF by FE is equals to BD by DA. Wait a minute. I'll join 1 minute. Kaustubh,
Sir,
Sherenda,
sir.
Sherida.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here in triangle ABE, I'm taking the picture. AB is the picture. This is in this, according to the given data, DF is parallel to AE. Single arrow mark is there. DF is parallel to AE. This is there. DF is parallel to AE. Now we apply basic proportionality theorem. Kaustubh, could you say? Mr. Kaustubh, basic proportionality theorem. Nandini. Nandini. Are you here with me? Children.
Yes, sir.
Kaustubh. Prince చెప్తావా?
Can I try, sir?
Go.
A by D.
No.
B by D, sir.
Not the single letter. Line segment.
BF by F.
Who is that?
Sir, Arun. BF by
Arun.
EF is equals to BF by EF is equals to BD by AD.
BF starts from B, vertex B, because these two are the parallels. These two are the parallels. Starts from B vertex, BF by FE is equals
Is
to
equals to BD by AD.
AD or DA. AD or DA, both are same. Very good. BF by FE is equals to BD by DA. Mr. Prince, could you understand?
Yes, sir.
So we'll say line segment, Nana, not the single point.
Okay, sir.
We starts from B, basic proportional theorem. These two are, this line is divided the two sides. BD, BF means this is, FE means this is, BD means this is, DA means this is. So now I'm writing that BF by FE is equal to BD by DA because of basic proportionality theorem. This is statement 1. This is statement 1. Now I will switch over to next triangle. I'm switch over to the another triangle. What it happens, please check out. Triangle ABC, big triangle. Immediately the color has changed, red color. DE parallel to AC, double arrow. DE parallel to AC. Akshaya, ABGHS. Akshaya. Chapurana.
BD by DA is equals to BE by EC.
Very good, Nana. Very good. Once again, please.
BD by DA is equals to BE by EC.
Very good, very good. Keep it up. So, BD by DA is equals to BE by EC according to the basic proportionality theorem. What she said is correct. Equation number 2. So, equation 1, equation 2. Mr. Prince, read the equation 1.
Sir,
Equation 1, what we have read out?
BF by
Equation 1 లో ఏముందో చదవమన్నాను.
BF by FE DB by DA, sir.
DB ఉన్నదా BD ఉన్నదా?
DA, sir.
BD, sir. BD by
BD by DA, sir.
మరి నువ్వు DB అంటానేంది?
BD, sir.
Once again repeat.
BF by FE
Hmm.
BD by DA.
Equation number 1. What is
Yes, sir.
equation number 2, Kaustubh? Kaustubh,
sir.
equation number 2, read out.
BD by DA equal to BE by EC.
Okay, both equations we have in front of us. So in the equation number 1 and equation number 2, equation number 1 RHS, equation number 2 LHS are same or different, Kaustubh?
Same, sir.
Same.
DA is same.
So shall I use the transitive property A is equal to B, B is equal to C, then A is equal to C.
Sir.
Yes.
So here, transitive property, we have the condition A is equals to B, B is equal to C, then A is equal to C is the transitive property. By that, equation number 1, equation number 2, equation number 1, LHS, RHS, sorry, equation number 2, LHS are same from equation 1 and 2. BF by FE is equals to BE by EC. So, Mr. Raju, Boyini Raju, B Raju, Boyini Raju, Nagaraju.
Sir.
What is required to prove? RTP is what? RTP ఏమున్నది?
RTP BF by FC is equal to BE by EC.
మనకు లాస్ట్ కి ఏమొచ్చింది?
Same.
BF by FE is equal to BE by EC.
రెండు సేమా వేరువేరా?
వేరు
ఏయ్ సరిగ్గా
సేమ్
చూడు. నాగరాజు,
సార్.
ఆర్టీపీ చదివినావు కదా?
ఎస్ సార్.
లాస్ట్ కి వచ్చింది చదివినావు కదా?
ఎస్ సార్.
బోత్ ఆర్ సేమా డిఫరెంటా?
సేమ్ సార్.
మరి నువ్వేం చెప్పినా ఇంతకు ముందు? ఏమనుకున్నావు? క్వశ్చన్ జాగ్రత్తగా విను.
ఓకే సార్.
BF by FE, BE by EC, that is RTP.
ఎస్
Our
సార్.
final conclusion from equation 1 and 2 is BF by FE is equal to BE by EC. Isn't it?
ఎస్ సార్.
So required to prove వచ్చిందా?
వచ్చింది సార్.
సో ప్రాబ్లం అయిపోయిందా ఇంకుందా?
అయిపోయింది.
Very good. So hence the problem proved. Hence the problem proved. This is very interested problem. Simple and sweet problem. Such models you practice more. This type of model problems you practice more. In our textbooks we don't have. If you want to do more practice, take one R.D. Sharma textbook, private book, or S. Chand. Anyone you take and do them. So many problems are there for practice. It is only my advice only, not compulsory. If you want more practice, take R.D. Sharma or that one, second one is S. Chand publications, private book. So number of problems you will get to do the more practice. Anybody any doubt, please?
No, sir.
Venkatapur children,
No, sir.
shall I move next?
No.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next question. Prasanna, question chadavama. Prasanna. Prasanna. Manojna Rao. Manojna Rao.
Sir, good evening.
Good evening. Please read the question.
Prove that a line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to another side bisects the third side.
Very interesting question. Gudama. So now here. Midpoint means what? So here, this is suppose a line. This is a line AB. So midpoint means exact what length it is, same length it is. The point divides the AB line segment into two equal parts. That is called midpoint. The point X is here, midpoint which I have drawn. Present scenario, the question is given, picture not given. Picture not given. We are only drawn the picture. So for that, I was taken a triangle ABC. Here B is the midpoint of AB. Clearly I drawn that. The symbols. It indicates equal. This indicates these two portions are equal in length. Okay. That is D is the midpoint. Now, what is required to prove? So, the line drawn through the midpoint of one side and parallel to the other side. This is parallel to this side. Then it bisects the third side. Bisect means again that intersecting point divide the AC two equal parts. These are equal. That is required to prove. AE is equal to EC or E is the midpoint of AC. Required to prove, required to show is AE is equal to EC or E is the midpoint of AC. This is required to prove. Right. Let us see now. What is given in triangle ABC? B is the midpoint of AB. That is AD is equal to BD. AD is equal to BD. And DE parallel to BC also given. DE line is parallel to BC also given. Right. Now required to prove is E bisects AC. Bisect means E is the midpoint of AC. Right. AE is equal to EC. So in triangle ABC, AD by DB. Now I am going to calculation. I am doing some calculation. I am going to finding some value. What value we obtained for AD by DB is equals to. Children, so here given is AD is equal to BD or BD is equal to AD. In this ratio, AD by DB, either we replace instead of DB is equals to AD, or if not, instead of AD is equals to BD. Anyone you replace, not the both places. In single place, replace it. What it happens? It moves to AD by AD because this DB is equals to AD. This DB is equals to AD given here. Now, AD by AD, get cancel. AD by AD get cancel is equals to 1. The value becomes to AD by DB is equals to 1. AD by DB is equals to 1. Right. But DE parallel to BC. But DE parallel to BC. So when the DE parallel to BC, apply basic proportionality theorem.
AE.
Apply basic proportionality theorem. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Equation number 2. What is equation number 1? AD by DB is equals to 1. What is equation number 2? AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. So both LHS terms are same. LHS terms are same. Therefore, AE by EC is equal to 1. From equation 1 and 2, equation 1 and 2, AE by EC is equals to 1. Now cross multiplication, EC comes to RHS side, AE is equal to EC. EC comes to RHS side, AE is equal to EC. That is E bisects AC. E is the midpoint of AC. E bisects AC, that's all. Anybody any doubt, please?
No.
No, sir.
Manogna Rao? Manogna Rao?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Other children? Anybody
Yes,
any
sir.
doubt?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
No,
Let's
sir.
do next problem.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So same one model is there. Same model, just reverse. Same question, just reverse. Princess Chadura. Babu Princess Chaduvaya.
Provide that line joint that midpoint of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the three sides.
Third side. Yeah.
Third side, sir. Sorry.
No. ఇక్కడ క్వశ్చన్ ఇంతకు ముందు క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే a line drawn from a midpoint of one side and parallel to the another side, then it bisects the third side. Adi previous sum. Here is prove that the line joining the midpoints of any two sides. Any two sides midpoints are joined. Then it is a parallel to the third side. That line is parallel to the third side is the present question. Okay. Given data, then required to prove DE parallel to BC. D and E are midpoints of AB and AC respectively. When they are the midpoints, AD is equal to DB, AE is equal to EC. AD is equal to DB, AE is equal to EC. It is very clear. In triangle ABC, AD by DB, I am going to calculate. I don't want to write the ratios. Only the value I am going to calculate. So this is equals to AD by DB. In the place of DB, I return AD because these two are equal in the given data. So AD by AD, that should be 1. AD by AD, that should be 1. AD by DB is equals to 1. Same in the previous question, same step we did. Next, AE by EC we are going to calculate. AE by EC, instead of EC, here EC is equal to AE no doubt. EC is equal to AE no doubt. AE by AE. So get cancel. AE by EC is equal to what? Equation number 2. Equation number 2. So both the values, AD by DB is also 1. AE by EC also be 1. Therefore, they are equal in values. AD by DB is equals to AE by EC from equation number 1 and 2. From equation number 1 and 2, AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. When the ratios are equal, according to converse of basic proportionality theorem, the lines are the DE parallel to BC. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. We got it. Ratios are equal. Converse of basic proportionality theorem is saying if a line divides the two sides in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to third side. Line is parallel to third side. This is by converse of basic proportionality theorem. Therefore, DE parallel to BC is the converse of BPT. Converse of BPT. That's all. Anybody, any doubt, please?
No, sir.
So today we are completed 5 problems in the exercise. Tomorrow, another 3 problems and some concepts regarding similar triangle definitions we will discuss as usual tomorrow the same time. Anybody, any doubt, please, regarding these 5 problems?
No, sir.
Anybody, any more?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
All children respond. Kaustubh?